Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a frozen or black screen iPhone using a forced restart, which is the first step in fixing these problems. So let's get started. So in order to do this, whether it's a black screen or a frozen iPhone, you're going to use the buttons. And the buttons that you want to use is the volume up. You're going to press and release, followed by pressing and release volume down, and then hold on to this side button until the phone basically restarts itself. So I'm going to show you how that's done. So quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then you're going to hold down this side button. And the key here is the phone to go completely black, and you're going to wait for the Apple logo to reappear before you let go of that side button. And once you let go, it's going to go ahead and restart itself, also known as a forced restart. This method is safe. It will not delete any of your data. So your photos, videos, apps, all of that stuff will be on your phone. And if it doesn't work the very first time, you want to go ahead and try again. It takes some time, a couple tries to get it right. So keep on trying until it works. Again, all I did was quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then I just hold down that side button in that sequence. Here I'm doing it one more time just to show you. So if you have a frozen, unresponsive, black screen, any problem that you're facing on your iPhone, just go ahead and follow these steps. And after that, it should be fixed just like that. And I hope this video was helpful. So please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.